Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iTunes store not working issue on iPhone. So guys, iTunes store is not working issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's start this video without wasting any time. So guys, simply force quit and relaunch the iTunes store, and then after this the next solution is turn your iPhone off and back on. So for the turn off iPhone, tap on the power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is check your date and time settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on date and time, and correct your date and time from here. And then after this the next solution is turn off any VPN. So guys, if you have connected any VPN on your iPhone, so turn off your iPhone from here. And then after this the next solution is update your Apple ID details and sign out of the iTunes and back in. So guys, sign out your Apple ID and sign in again. And then after this the next solution is reset network settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode. So simply tap on reset network settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.